We give folks the tools that they need to go out there and live their lives in a more productive manner, not using substances and making good choices and decisions for themselves. We try to provide them same-day appointments. The treatment that we provide here is outpatient treatment. We have an intensive outpatient program. We also have early recovery groups. We have a women's recovery group, and we also do individual and family work. One of the things that we certainly focus on and through our treatment is we do change people's lives, because part of what we know in working here is that treatment does work. So people are able to get sober, stay sober, and start enjoying their lives and their families in a whole different way. Sometimes when I'm at the supermarket, I will run into folks who have had treatment here, and they recognize me. They come up and they say, thank you so much for your help. I'm glad AdCare was there. I've been sober now for 2-3 years, and my life is great. They're smiling, they're happy, and that's one of the blessings that I see.